Hello friends, so today we are continuing our Discrete Mathematics GATE PYQ series on propositional logic. We will continue with the next 4 questions. So here are our next 4 questions. So friends, हम ये solve करेंगे. तो हमारे पास question given है, let P and Q be the two proposition. Consider the following formulae in propositional logic. S1 और S2 हमें दिए हुए हैं और हमें ये बताना है कि इन वाली कौन सी चॉइस में से मीट करेंगे ये. ठीक है, तो हमने जैसा कि हम जानते हैं ओके, तो हम जो है इसको पहले हम S1 को सॉल्व करेंगे. हम एक साइड S1 और एक साइड S1 और एक साइड S2. तो नॉट P and P और Q gives Q. तो हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं P bar dot P plus Q gives Q. P bar dot P plus P bar dot Q gives Q. P bar dot P, that becomes 0. So it will be like P bar dot Q gives Q. Now P bar dot Q plus Q, P bar का whole bar, that becomes P plus Q bar plus Q, P plus 1 1. ओके, ये हमारा है S1. यहाँ पर जो है 0 प्लस ये this is 0 plus 1, that becomes 1. Okay, now S2 gives P bar plus P plus Q, Q gives P bar dot P plus P bar dot Q, Q gives P bar Q, Q dash plus P dash Q, Q bar plus P bar, ब्रेक कर लेंगे हम इसे, और Q bar plus Q. Now it will be like Q bar plus P bar. So it is a contingency and not a tautology. Okay, so S1 is a tautology but S2 is not a tautology. So this particular option is matching. So this is the answer. Now next question. I think. Now next question. Let PQR denotes the following statements. P denotes it's raining. It is raining. Q denotes it is cold. R denotes it is pleasant. Then the statement, it is not raining and it is not pleasant. It is not raining के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? Not P, and it is not pleasant. That means it is not raining and it is pleasant. Pleasant के लिए हो जाएगा R. Okay. And second part में दिया हुआ है हमें, and it is not pleasant, it is not pleasant if it is raining and cold. So can you just write this from the above statement? When you will write according to this statement, we will be getting this option, and this is matching the option A. Okay, so the condition is given here, and it is not pleasant only if it is raining and it is cold. Okay, that's all for this question. Now next question is, let PQR be the propositions in the expression this P gives Q gives R can be be a contradiction, and the expression R gives P gives Q is a what? Tautology or something else. Okay, so first of all we are given is P gives Q gives R is equal to 0. ठीक है, तो हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ये आ जाएगा नॉट P और Q और फिर R इज इक्वल टू 0. इसी को आगे सॉल्व करते हैं. नॉट P और Q और R इज इक्वल टू 0. P Q bar plus R is equal to 0. This is possible only if PQ bar is 0. Okay, so P is 0 और Q bar is 0 plus हमारा R is 0. P is 0, Q bar is 0 and R is 0. Okay. Now PQ bar is equal to 0. Okay, so this we have already discussed this. Okay, so now let us see. R gives P gives Q. This gives R bar plus P whole bar plus Q. RP bar plus Q. RP bar is 0. Okay. Zero plus Q is equal to Q. So truth value of R gives P gives Q is same as that of Q. So it is true whenever Q is true. Okay, so this option is D, is correct. Okay, that we are having this true whenever Q is true. अगर हमारा we have another option C, उसके अंदर क्या रहेगा, ये नहीं है. This is not because we have shown that P is equal to 0 or Q dash is equal to true. Option C is false because P is false. Because P is false when P is 0, Q is free to be 0 or 1. Next question is the statement not P is implies not Q. Okay, तो हम जो है इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, not P implies not Q, P or not Q, or Q gives P. So this is one option, and or not Q or P. तो ये दो ऑप्शन, Q gives P and not Q or P, this 2 and 3. Okay, so this was quite simple, so you can attempt this easily. Okay, so thank you all for joining. This was my second lecture on this gate PYQs. Next we will continue with the other PYQs shortly. Bye.